Hello, hi Monica, welcome back to my channel. I'm Perfectly Perfect with me, Pavitra. I should definitely tell this, guys, I'm not consistently uploading videos because recently I'm just held up with some few things, and last week I was into something, so I was not able to film a video and upload it for you people. And I'll make sure in upcoming weeks I consistently upload videos, and you would have seen in the thumbnail what is the video is all about gonna be, but still I'm gonna let me quickly explain it to you right now. So in this video I'll be speaking about this particular palette, that is the Swiss Beauty palette, which is the affordable brand in the market right now. I've seen people commenting in other channels requesting for them to make a video on this, especially because since it's affordable one. So so it's since it is affordable, so it'll be easy for every people to get your hands on this particular palette. So it's better to know whether it's a very good one or not, especially to go for it or not. So at the end of this video you'll be able to make a decision whether to go for this particular palette, not only this particular palette, any palette from their brand, to try it or not. Okay, I know I just spoke a lot, but since I didn't make a video last week and I completely missed doing all this, so I just felt like speaking a lot. Yeah, so I'll be creating some looks, and the look which is there right now, this is also created from using this palette, and I'll be showing some three makeup looks. And at the end of the video I'll just will just speak about this particular palette in detail, the pigmentation, the price, and all that. So we'll speak about in detail. And yeah, I have created some three looks. It's not only you'll be able to create only some three looks with the help of this palette. If you're a makeup lover and if you love playing with the colors, any palette, guys, not only this palette, any palette, you'll be able to come up with n number of looks. Why especially this particular three looks is because not everybody who's watching this video is not someone who's very active on social sites, Insta or Facebook, or who keeps taking pictures every day, right? So you all just want something to use it in your everyday makeup look. So I have just come up with those kind of a makeup eye looks. See you, I'm just placing my brush over here and I'm just blending it in the same place. I'm not just taking it over here, that is on the crease line. So okay, so when you're gonna so when you decide to blend some darker shade, make sure that you don't place the brush on the place where you have initially blended the first shade. Make sure you just place a little bit front over here, okay, and then start blending. When we decide to do in this way, so the first shade which we have started blending, that will also be visible, and the shade which we are going with right now, that will also be visible. So make sure you just blend it in that way to get more a very natural look. See, you all can see now the shade which I have applied initially first, that is also visible, and the brown shade which I have applied right now, that is also visible. Just follow this line. Half cut trees is all what we're gonna do right now. So see, this is all, guys. You can just very quickly create this eye makeup look, and this will very much suit your everyday makeup look as well. You can just customize. You can just go with any shades you like, but make sure the shades which you choose is very subtle enough so that it just compromises your everyday makeup look. And to finish off this look, you can just go with a bit of kajal and mascara and eyelashes if you prefer, or if you don't prefer, just go with the mascara. So anything as such. So this is the first eye makeup, and to finish off this, I usually have the habit of smudging the gel eyeliner in my everyday makeup look, so that is what I'm gonna do it now. Place where we applied and just move back and forth with the brush. This is how you can clean it. Make sure you blend it well. That's really very important. Make sure you work on each lashes, especially when you decide to not go with the fake lashes. So make sure you just work on each lash. So over on the eyelid very gently. You people would have seen the looks which I have created now, so it's time to speak about the product, right? So let's speak about it now. So I got this for around some 700 to 750 change. I'm not sure. I'll just leave the link in the description. You get easily from any beauty sites, say from Nykaa, Purple, or from any beauty sites. You just get it very easily. But I'll just leave a link in the description. And to speak about this, I know Swiss Beauty really comes up with a very affordable products. But I haven't tried. As I said, I haven't tried any of the products, and I just felt like trying some of their eye palettes because I just wanted to know, since it's very affordable, and wanted to know how good the pigmentation is and whether it's worth enough investing in this product, or is it better to invest a little more and to get a better product. That is the reason why I took up this particular product, this particular palette. And that is the reason I guess when you guys was curious enough to know how exactly the Swiss Beauty makeup brand palette was. I feel yes. Okay. For this price, we get Lakme palettes too, and I haven't used Lakme palette till now, so I can't tell how I can't compare this palette and that one and tell which is the best. But one thing I can compare here is I can compare this palette with the Maybelline Nude palette. It is somewhere over there, guys. I should literally go get it, but trust me, I have that palette. If you had seen my previous videos, so you would have got to know that I have used that palette in somewhere in my video. So Maybelline Nude Blush palette, which is around some 900 initially. Right now, it is around some maybe an offer and all, you might get it around for 700 to change or something. But trust me, when you compare to Maybelline palette, this is far better. But I can't compare this with the Lakme, but I haven't used it. And if you want, but one thing I would suggest is, if you feel like investing a little bit more, because this is around some 700, if you are okay enough to invest a little bit more, where some 1200, 1400, then I would definitely recommend LA Girl palette, where the shades are literally amazing, seriously amazing. And you get that kind of a pigmentation where you get it in a palette, like where you invest some 4 or 5 change in a Huda Beauty something palette kind of a thing. So yeah, if you okay to invest a little bit more, then I would definitely ask you guys to instead of this, you can definitely go for LA Girl palettes, where you have got n number of good collections, good number of shades, and good number of palettes too. So but if you want to stick with this budget, if you want something around some 600, 700, then definitely this palette is a good one to try. And this is the review, and I'm not disappointed. I'm completely liking this palette too. If you all want me to do any particular if you all want me to do a review on any particular product, or want me to do any particular video, do let me know in the comment section. If you feel that you have got my kind of a skin, where you have got this acne scars, blemishes and all that, and if you feel you just wanted to invest on something and you're not sure like whether to go for it or not, please do let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely do it for you people, and I'll give a very honest feedback, you can trust me. And if you like this video, then do hit like, share and subscribe. I'll see you all guys in my next video. Until then, bye, see ya, take care.